Hello, welcome to my channel, and I'm gonna be making a short video today. So when you summon your stand, right, and then you unsummon your stand, boom, the particles doesn't get deleted. So today I'm gonna be fixing that. So first, just do something like this. Server storage stand, get your aura out of here, and name this to stand aura. Make sure you name this to stand aura, okay? Name this to whatever you want. I'm gonna name this to items, and change this to stand dot your folder name, then do something like this. Go to script service. Oh yeah, let's remove this too. Superscript service. We're gonna check if the aura exists. Local aura stand find for child stand aura. If you have an aura, hold on, if aura, then aura is gonna be changed to aura clone. Then for IV in peers, character, get descendants, do something like this. Instead, do aura dot enabled equals true, and aura dot parent equals character equals V, and then put this inside of the for loop. Alright, then do the same thing with the unsummon. For IV in pairs, character, get descendants, do if V dot name equals your aura name. Make sure you rename every single aura to stand aura. But if you have different stands, then V destroy. Let's try this out. Alright, let's summon my stand and unsummon. It works. So this is for my short video. Thank you for watching. Bye.